kajingle anyam puja kirunge Hindu kalakut no ne kasingi ka apnru te urisau hakaba la sakhi ba yakiblei thau jongki la sei no na kijaka mani ki jongki ba la libren hawam khra pulo hagane kasingi brat blei la sakhi ya ka jingpun klan ya ki bor pahara ha kijaka brat blei
थोड़ा अलग अलग हो जाना चाहिए ना।
Ma Durga is leaving her parents' house, going back to Kailash. And you have seen this year is under the pandemic, a very challenging and trying circumstances. Puja is being performed. But you can see all the protocols and SOPs which we have developed. And particularly for the immersion day, Mr. Bidhan Das is there, Mr. Jayanta there, Mr. Anangopal Paul, then Narayan Blangani. Particularly this immersion ghat committee, they have done a wonderful job. You can see almost 15-16 immersion has been over. You see the quality of water. Immediately it has been taken up and we have already transported to Martin. Some we have kept here to use as a barricade because of the water level. Then you see people also are so disciplined, unlike other years. So we also understand that this is a pandemic, we have our SOP and we are strictly adhering to our SOPs. You see our volunteer folks are there maintaining social distancing, then your masks, sanitizers we have kept for all. So every issues. Now you see this person, you please focus to him. All the materials not allowed to put in the water.
Puja wastage materials.
You see it is all being kept there. So these are the things you see we are also concerned about the environment. And finally you see we congratulate each and every citizen of Shillong for their cooperation, support, whether it is from the indigenous community, whether it is we faithfuls who are observing the pujas, we have received full support and cooperation. And Shillong has shown that this bond and fraternity which exists between all sections of the people has been further strengthened, and the country can learn from us the way we have followed the SOPs and protocols of the pandemic organized by Central Puja Committee, and the immersion which is happening under the hard work and the challenging which our immersion ghat committee like Mr. Bidhan Das, Chairman, Mr. Anango Mohan Pal, Mr. Jayanta Dev and others who have taken up this challenge. And we again congratulate each and every citizen of the state of Shillong for their support.